Yeah, I know. I'm still going with the fake smile. But anyways, so I don't have too much to talk about today. I know I haven't posted a video in, about 3 weeks, I think. And sorry about the, no achievement men video. But see, what ended up happening was we couldn't get this one guy to come help us and whatnot. So we just don't know when the video is going to be posted. So yeah, we have to wait for that. But on other news, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be turning this channel into a vlog, which is what I'm doing right now. Duh. Plus a kind of a skit video. We're going to record little things that we do, just for fun and whatnot, just for a couple of views. So anyways, tune in for that. And that's about it, really. Nothing much other to tell other than I really do like recording in the morning, which is what I'm doing right now. And look, jet. There's a jet out there. Look. Jet stream. Okay. Alright guys, well, I think that's the end of this video. Honestly, I do. Alright. Well, good night everybody.